So I was looking for lanyards in order to put my keys around my neck when I'm jogging or if I have too many things in my pocket already. And I found this one on Amazon, which I'm super happy about. One, it is very robust and heavy duty. It's never going to break off and you're not going to lose your keys and wallet. It comes with a key ring and it comes with a simple clasp here that you can just unhook your keys when you need to. But here is also a double whammy, I guess. Most lanyards will work, but this one is made of wrapped up braided paracord, meaning that if the crap ever hit the fan or you needed some sort of rope, you have an extreme length of rope sitting right here with your keys and wallet. And I know a lot of people buy those paracord bracelets in order to have some paracord on them in case of an emergency, and this is just another option to do that. So there is a long length of wrapped and braided paracord here that you could take apart and use in a survival setting if you were to ever need that. And I know these things sound silly to some people, but just being prepared and having some things just in case is just like an insurance policy. In case you ever need it, it's there. So if you're looking for a lanyard, this is one that I use and that I would definitely recommend.